Our first runner-up, second place goes to Peggy.
Number 14, Elwood.
That means the winner of the 2022 Drake Relays Most Beautiful Bulldog, Bam Bam! Let's hear it again for our judges, everyone. That means the winner of the 2022 Drake Relays Most Beautiful Bulldog, Bam Bam! Cartoon. Once again, a big thank you to all of our beautiful Bulldog contestants, as well as to all of you who joined us here at the Knapp Center on the campus of Drake University in Des Moines. And to those of you watching us via our live web stream for being a part of this exciting event and helping us kick off the 112th running of the Drake Relays. Thank you, everyone, and congratulations to Bam Bam! Contestant number 28, Bam Bam. Bam Bam is a very food-motivated boy that loves learning new tricks for some tasty treats. He knows how to high-five, roll over, speak, and drive a Pontiac. But even more than his love for food, Bam Bam loves people more than anything in the world. Bam Bam! Contestant number 28, Bam Bam. Bam Bam is a very food-motivated boy that loves learning new tricks for some tasty treats. He knows how to high-five, roll over, speak, and drive a Pontiac. But even more than his love for food, Bam Bam loves people more than anything in the world. Bam Bam! Beverly Pancakes, congratulations, best dressed. All right. This is your choice, everyone. Elwood. Spirit Award winner. Our next, that is Bowser. Lola likes to chew on any chew toy. Roughhouse with her humans, go on car rides and walks, and obviously sleep. And when you have here, we're glad you're healthy. Please welcome number 10, Kirby. bottom when greeting you. Now, Muffin is a survivor of a rare disorder called immune-mediated polyarthritis. All her friends, or be the daycare door greeter. She knows no strangers, loves everyone. For a bulldog, Bella is a super fast runner, lack of attention, and when not being petted. With a loud snore to remember, he's ready to patent his own snores for a sound machine if anyone is looking for a business. Easy, Griff. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hang tight. We're going to go live at 6 o'clock.